before I come in last. I ain't felt like this in a long time. I ain't felt like this in a long time. I ain't had shit in a long time. Just to feel like this, it took a long time.
Shoulda knew. I thought I knew who I was. Thought I knew who I loved. Found out that shit wasn't real. I must be dumb as they come.
For real. That last part was a bar. That last part was real.
A few moments later.
And let's not forget the chips, the bev.
Never, never, never.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Look like shit.
I'll give you a number. I'll text her on some anonymous shit.
Whose number? Get your ugly ass.
Hey, let me see that.
Whose number they talking about? Ooh.
The real. You feel me?
Oh my god. Hold on.
You see that second clip in the bag though?
Stop the cap.
That nigga not playing with nobody
At all.
That nigga come through, nigga.
No, this whole look legit.
Yeah, nigga.
Can we see the ammo again?
Hey, we
so
safe
niggas
for
know. Okay. Thank you. Y'all niggas ready to go?
I gotta see how I be walking through around with that. That bitch be right here, swear to God, just like this.
That's all we push. Love and positivity.
Walk around just like this.
We stay pushing love and positivity.
I swear to God, when I'm in the
We
courts,
stay pushing love and positivity.
when I'm in the courts, I swear to God, I be just like this. I swear.
Shut your stupid.
Pushing that love and positivity.
Love and positivity.
Why? What we push? What we put?
The L&P, nigga.
Show them.
You put this in the bag.
Shut your stupid.
Like, I wonder what my dad would do if he just seen that home already.
Project. What the fuck? What the fuck is my son on? Can we get a closet tour? Oh my god, so much fucking shoes. What the fuck?
Bro, none of my shit's actually here though. All my shit at my mom's crib, nigga.
Balenci. Oh, this shit'll look crazy. I'm gonna edit the fuck out this. I'm gonna put some music behind this shit. This is gonna look crazy as hell.
Niggas got a goddamn. Come over here with the drill.
Huh?
This the real, you know what I'm saying, the real rap. Balenci, Prada. Dad took my heart. My heart is not there.
Hold on.
Niggas see the, you know what I'm saying, the vet. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
I look artist, but Balenci.
Shut your stupid.
Sweats though.
Jay Lynch. Come on, bro.
Oh my god. Okay, he has too much money for me, guys. We gotta go.
That nigga not coming.
Somebody better say something, man. It's starting to get cold. I love this one. I got nothing but sweatsuits and shit.
Nah, I'm actually finna pop out, bro. Y'all niggas, bro, just wait. Give me like 3 weeks, bro.
No, I need my first post.
This shit doesn't have a flash though.
Hey, Drew, I know I've been MIA, bro, but Drew, we taking flicks for like a couple weeks.
I've been in MIA too.
Why in a couple weeks? Can we do
You have
this
been
shit?
MIA. I just bought a whole
Let's
bunch
get
of
some
shit.
hard ass.
That whole fucked my energy up.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
That's why I've been in MIA.
We getting a new era, Drew. We in a new era, bro.
New era?
New era.
Some hard ass things.
My fault. Hold on. Loaded diaper.
I'm not gonna lie, I think I'm finna.
Who is this getting in the car?
You know who it is, bro.
Okay.
Come on, bro. Don't act like you don't know.
Okay.
Shut your stupid.
Hey, Slim Thugger. Okay, cool. Store run. Store run. Hey, what's on your feet, Rasheed?
Oh, none. Burberry.
Okay,
Yep.
cool.
Yep.
I gotta take this filter off. Store run. Store run. Okay, cool. What's the Bev though?
We going with these.
Okay.
Can't go wrong with the dinosaur. Good to grow. 100% apple juice. You know what I'm saying?
Shut your I got it. Hey, let me know what y'all niggas getting. What y'all niggas copping? Me personally, I ain't copping none of this shit. That's just me though.
It's all bad for you or what?
Yeah. Hey, these niggas in here dick riding cause they mad.
Well, we out.
You don't need your change? Oh, thank you, sir.
Bro, I got some shoes on. I'm trying to sell some $11.
Hey, this guy don't even need his change.
I don't want them.
I'll take it though. Niggas know I'll take it. Niggas know I'll take the crumbs.
What do you mean by that?
Yeah, don't ever split that road.
I will split the fucking pole, bro. I'll be quick to get on niggas' ass when they try to split the pole.
Stop the cap.
Bro.
My fault, gang.
I ain't got shit on today.
Type shit.
Just chilling with the guy. Alright. Hey, you gotta play. Nigga, I got big dick for your woman.
What? Bro, what are you talking about?
What's that?
Oh, this shit look crazy.
Right now.
Hit the fuck out that shit.
This station right here.
It's they shit too.
That nigga looking like it.
What?
Get on your ass, boy. Alright, watch out. Just go this way, like a lot. Some shit.
That man's better way.
I'm not shit. What the fuck? I ain't got that shit on. Hey, can you get me? Can you get me walking to Little Caesars?
No!
Nigga. Hey, Mark, get me walking to Little Caesars.
On some shit.
Boy, if you don't get...
You say roll with hand, right?
Man, you said what?
You gotta see that shit with your own eyes, bro. Like, nigga be on all the bullshit.
I ain't being all the obligations, God. Wait, can you say that on camera?
They being all the allegations.
Hold on.
Being all the allegations, nigga. Stop the cap. We went all this shit all 2025, nigga.
We not passing the ball.
I will all the oh shit.
Bro, we should've got some image shit.
Appreciate it.
We're ready. Ready to die. That shit live.
Yeah, I just thought of it. I don't know. I don't even know. I tried to explain to my uncle. So I just told them like an hour ago that I was getting a tattoo. Another tattoo. And I mean they were more calm about it than I thought. But
Hurry up and get that shit off because that shit is gonna dry. Oh my god.
Boy, if you don't...
Saint Laurent. And I just like, hold up, shawty, what you want? Smoking this ganja and it's hitting strong. Bitch on that nigga, I could do no wrong. We gotta go in the cut, walking with your bitch. Nigga, please don't play, you know how I get. Lil' hoe, she fuck with a fit, and now it's just time for a switch. I'm in the game with my brother, my family, my twin. Lord, just forgive me for all of my sins. If you start to hate, then you never gon' win. I never been pussy, I'm standing on 10. Oh, you wanna run it, then go get your friends. I'm about to start gunning, we finna go in. We about to start gunning, we finna walk in. Nigga, yeah, you a bitch, nigga, why you talking? Yeah, this bitch on my dick, cause this whole stalking. Finna hop in the stool, then a nigga lock in. Why you talk all that shit, nigga, please stop it. Cause you know I'm the truth, I'm a motherfucking prophet. We gon' get all this cash, we gon' get all this profit. We been taking that shit, nigga, give me a wallet. I ain't worried about nothing, so nigga, just stop. Got this gas in my lungs, so a nigga been coughing. Nigga been making moves, and I do this so often. I just feel like I'm hard and a young nigga soft. You gon' talk like a big dog, and in a coffin. Nigga thought he gon' try us, you know we gon' off. Got the gas in there, and now I started for all. So you better play dead like a motherfucking boss. We gon' catch us.
Bye, have a great time.